Hi friends, in this video I like to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of taboo search. So the first advantage is it accepts non-improving solution so as to escape from local optimum. Okay, so that is the first advantage. So the first advantage is it accepts non-improving solution so as to so as to escape from local maximum. Escape from local optimum. Local optimum. So if you have seen the previous example, maybe previous video of taboo search example, in that we have already discussed one thing. The objective value is varying. In the first iteration it was 20. I mean, in the 0th iteration the objective value is 20, and after that has moved to 25. So this is the first iteration, and in second iteration it has moved to 28, and in third iteration it was 24, and in fourth iteration it was 29. So if you can see here, actually from 28 to 20 to 25 there is an improvement in the objective function, and the 25 to 28 is also there is an improvement, but from 28 to 24 there is no improvement. So this is a decline, but still we are going for it because we are expecting a better result after that. That means this is the, even though this is the local optimum, so we are simply escaping from this local optimum to get very good result. Okay, so that is the advantage of taboo search technique. So this is not the case in any other search, because if the solution is not improving we will simply stop there, or we are not considering that part. But here if we expect the better solution out of this, then we will simply go ahead. Okay, so that is the advantage of taboo search. Yes, and the second point is so it can be applied to both discrete and continuous solution spaces. So this is also very important advantage. It can be applied to both discrete and continuous solution spaces. Discrete and continuous solution spaces. Continuous solution spaces. Yeah, that means there may be continuity in solution also in some cases, and so there is a discrete in solutions also. So that is the advantage of the taboo search technique. So it can handle any of the solutions. So the next one is it can be used for complete problems on scheduling, quadratic assignment, and vehicle routing. It obtains competitive solutions compared to other similar approaches. Okay, so that is the another advantage. Let's simply write here. So it can be used for complex problems. Used for complex problems on scheduling, quadratic assignment, and vehicle routing. vehicle routing. So it obtains a competitive solution compared to other similar approaches. So these are the very important problems, very much complex problems, but still the taboo search can give. So it obtains competitive solutions competitive solutions when compared to other similar approaches. Compared to other similar approaches. Other similar approaches. So that's also, this is the advantage of these are the advantages of taboo search technique. Okay, and next we will see the disadvantages of taboo search technique. Yeah, coming to disadvantages of taboo search technique, actually there are three disadvantages. So one is, so it requires too many parameters to be determined. So of course it requires too many parameters. Requires too many parameters. Yeah, it requires too many parameters to be determined. So we need to determine so many parameters here. So that is the first disadvantage. And coming to second disadvantage, number of iterations could be very large. So this is the second disadvantage. Number of iterations could be very large. And the third disadvantage is global optimum. So global optimum may not be found. In some cases it may not be found. So depends on parameter settings. It obviously depends on parameter settings. So these are some of the disadvantages of taboo search technique. So the first disadvantage, it requires too many parameters to be determined. Yes, we need to determine too many parameters for this, because first we need to see the all possible swappings, and we need to find the optimization solution. Optimization solution for each and every setup, and we need to find the best out of that. So in this way we need to do so many calculations. So that's why we need to determine so many parameters in it. Okay, that's the one of the disadvantages of taboo search technique. The second one is the number of iterations could be very large. So we need to go ahead with so many iterations. Similarly, global optimum may not be found. Sometimes it may not be found. Okay, depends on parameter setting. May not be found. The global optimum may not be found. So without knowing the system properly, we can't say that we can get the global optimum. In the previous case also, we know that the global optimum definitely occurs. So that's why we are going ahead. Okay, if we don't know that, if you simply escaping from the local optimum, and if you are trying to obtain global optimum, it may not be occurred some of the cases. Okay, so these are some of the disadvantages of taboo search technique. So with this we have concluded the taboo search technique. So please try to see all the videos. We have done all the videos on taboo search technique. The first one is introduction, second one is strategies, So with this I have concluded the taboo search technique. So we have done the videos on taboo search techniques. So the first video is on introduction of taboo search technique. So please try to see all these videos also, so that you can have a better idea on taboo search technique. And the second video is on strategies. and third video is on algorithm and of course the stopping criteria, and the fourth video is on flowchart, and the fifth video is on example, and now the sixth video is on advantages and disadvantages of taboo stitch technique. So with this, taboo stitch technique was completely done. Okay, so if you please see all the videos, and if you have any doubts in any video, so please type in the comment box so that we can respond and we can give the, maybe we can give the solution for that. Okay, thank you so much for your careful listening.